I was looking for a way to develop software as a non-programmer, and I received estimates of $200,000 to $300,000 to create what I wanted to create. So I didn't have $200,000 to $300,000, and I couldn't get funding for it. Didn't have a developer boyfriend. I had gone through every option, and so I just started using Zoho. And as I started about 3 years ago, and the product just keeps evolving and evolving. So what originally started was the hope of building a proof of concept has turned into building a beta. And then at this conference, it's turned into actually building my live product.
We have an inland towing company. We have about 65 boats, 150 barges, and we needed an application to where we could communicate with the boats and find out what the boats were doing day to day. And our boats are connected to the bandwidth via cell phone using MiFi devices, and the company had been looking at applications and that would have cost them, say, $1 million to buy and implement and support. And within 30 days, we built a traffic app using Zoho Creator. We had one guy developing it, me, and within 4 months, we had all the boats live on the traffic app. Today, it's been live now for 2 years in June. We have over 1 million records in the system, and we've got a support team of me. It's wonderful, and the price is right.
My company is Archer Mobile, and we do mobile marketing for very large brands internationally. Companies like Starbucks and FedEx and so forth use our services for sending text messaging and MMS-rich media messaging out to their consumers. So we're using Zoho and Zoho Creator for a couple of different purposes. We are using it right with our clients in terms of customer support. So we use that tool. They can file cases and things like that with us. And then we also use it very integrated with our sales processes. So our statement of works and our agreements, we utilize Zoho for that as well. We used Salesforce, and now we moved over to Zoho.
We run our entire company with Zoho, from accounting to HR, loss prevention, document management, everything pretty much. And we have, a couple hundred hours worth of code that went in the back end. We made the system absolutely smart, so it kind of rides itself out. So the drivers, our employees and staff can just request time off and clock in and out, report to work, all kinds of different functions. Accounting can apply payments, receive payments from customers. We don't even use QuickBooks, so it's pretty...
Well, we work for Integra. We're a service provider company. We work on large platform rapid prototyping machines, you may know as 3D printers. Before Zoho came along, all the guys in the field would go out and repair machines, and they would come back and fill out a Word document and just email it out to everybody in the company. So it's a big mess. Everybody had Word documents, collections of them is a mess. So there's a big need for a database. I took it upon myself to find something, did a bunch of searches, found Zoho, and it seemed to do exactly what I wanted it to do. So it was just now the challenge of figuring out how to do it, which didn't take that long. I have zero programming experience, and I was able to get it to perform exactly the way we want it to. Everybody's enjoying it. We've expanded on it quite a bit now. We're using it for contract employees to keep track of their time. We're starting using it for sales to keep up with all of our customer list on there and what customer is buying what, and reporting back different.
We're a tugboat company, and we have about 65 tugboats that are entering their daily traffic within Zoho Creator, and that's how we're using that, and I've been very happy with it. It's an excellent product. We're also looking at other products to use while we're here as well. So,
I'm the production manager at Casa Studios, and at any given time we've probably got 40 projects all going at the same time, so it's a real nightmare to keep track of. We used to use Excel. It was horrible. We couldn't do anything with it. So now we use Creator, and we've got an app that everybody can get into. They can look at the project, see who's doing what. We can assign them to different people. And we built the workflow up so that everybody knows exactly where a project is as it goes through it.
We do nationwide same-day shipping, and currently we're using Zoho Creator for a pretty wide range of business applications, everything from payroll, everything from timekeeping, Drivers, when they go out, they have to submit a list of images of different sections of the car. Anytime an order is placed, gosh, I mean, it's really like the entire range of business applications is going through Zoho Creator.
We mainly use Zoho to collaborate on the projects and the configuration of assemblies for manufacturing purposes.
Zoho is mostly the interface between our sales opportunities and the actual order management to track its progress through our company. Just use it as a small business tool to do things better and faster.